A lot of the other leadership programs that I've been through is very much just, they've gone, oh, to be a leader, you need to understand your team. You need to know, I guess, what your vision is or this is and that is. But it's just like you do your 4 different quadrants and you pile it all together. And it's just very systematic. Like you've got A, B, C, D. This is what you follow on and that's it. Whereas this course in leadership and stuff is actually understanding who you are as well. What your passions, what drives you. We go back to the, if not you, then who? If not now, then when? It goes a lot on those different types of things, which you don't get in other leadership courses or anything like that. They don't really get you to understand yourself properly, the impact that you can have on other people, or even understanding, I guess, the qualities of other people and how to get the best out of them. So I find that whole relationship building part and everything and the complete safe space that you've got with it is definitely completely different.
Yeah, I've done 1 or 2 of these, and this one obviously is probably the best. It's not death by PowerPoint. I've got a lot of other future leaders that are in the course that you can learn off and model yourself around, or even just do a little bits of information here and there, so it's a good learning curve and other different styles of leadership, and that's something that I've never been taught before, and then you can just kind of model yourself around those. I haven't really considered being a leader before. I was an unofficial leader. I'm now doing this course gives me the confidence, I guess, to take the next step, and when I do go back to work, maybe go into those leadership roles where I do lead a team, not just an Indigenous team, but a full team.
Sitting down today with, the 2 leaders that we had, I feel very naive in saying I didn't really expect to be exposed to individuals who've led such important change within their sectors that they've done with such grace and humility and strength in their integrity. Watching Sharon and Fee today really demonstrated to me that you can say no and hold yourself accountable, but you can also step into and lean into really uncomfortable situations and turn up for mob in ways that has generational impact.
As I've, sort of moved through my career in that, I have been pushed more to the front, and quite surprisingly, when it was first put to me that I should start managing a team, I had resisted it. I didn't think that I would like it, but doing it, and then the more you do it, it's practice. Practice makes perfect, and so and I think the earlier point where if you don't fill the space, somebody else is going to get up there, and they're probably less experienced, have less knowledge about stuff. So you've just got to do what you have to do.
Don't think that this approach, values-based leader, this soft, this leaning into tension, talking to those who have different opinions, doesn't mean I'm weak. Doesn't mean I'm not strong. Doesn't mean I don't know how to hold the line. I just will look and sound different to you because I am different to you. Perception and how you perceived does matter when you're trying to lead.
So we've just finished our 2nd year of the Indigenous Leadership Development Program with Woodside. Woodside seem to have an incredible ability to attract incredible talent and then give us the incredible opportunity to work with them in a kind of meaningful way. It's all about kind of realising that as Indigenous people, we have the skills, we have the history, we have the potential to become the leaders we're born to be. For me, it was an incredible privilege to spend time with leaders. The 3 key themes that came out of the workshops: if not now, then when? If not you, then who? And be the change you want to see. And I'm really encouraged by the calibre of the talent, and I'm really excited to see what the future holds for each and every one of them.